Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cook House, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of one of my signature dishes, Paneer Tomato Masala. Soft paneer pieces in a rich tomato gravy. To begin, take about 200 grams of paneer and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Place them in a bowl, add 1.5 cups of warm water with a teaspoon of salt, mix well, cover and keep aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, add in 1 medium onion finely chopped and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Saute until the onions are translucent. Add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute. Do not brown. Add in a 1/4 cup of tomato puree and 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Mix. Next, add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix. Now add in 1/2 cup of cream and mix well. Drain the paneer pieces and add. Mix well until they are well coated. Finally, add in a teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix. Cover with the lid and simmer on low heat until you can see oil on the surface. Check the salt and add more if required. The paneer tomato masala is ready to serve. Garnish with chopped green coriander leaves and garam masala. Serve with lachha parothas or naans. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cook House and be sure to like, share and subscribe.